Testing of vapor processing installations began in Vlissingen in North Seaport on the 28th of May. The aim is to enable inland tankers to process residual vapors safely and in a controlled manner with a newly developed installation. The initial tests were successful. The aim of the tests is to achieve cleaner air along the waterways with the help of innovative technologies. The tests at North Seaport went well. The functioning of the equipment was monitored throughout the testing procedure. These tests are the first of a series with different types of installations being rolled out in the ports of North Seaport, Rotterdam, and Amsterdam. The measurements are being conducted by an independent agency that will determine which installations meet the strictest requirements and where improvements are still needed. The results of the trials will be evaluated by the Degassing while Sailing Task Force, which will then advise the responsible Dutch minister on the further construction of the infrastructure. The test in Zeeland is being supported by Shell Chemicals Europe. The site in Vlissingen has been provided by North Seaport as part of its aim of achieving a more sustainable port. The province of Zeeland supports the project. Zeeland also currently holds the chairmanship of the National Degassing while Sailing Task Force. GreenPoint Maritime Services is supplying the vapor processing installation being used in the tests. The industry has already achieved a significant reduction in emissions in recent years by introducing dedicated and compatible sailing, eliminating the need for degassing. However, this is not in itself sufficient to avoid degassing completely. In 2020, the prohibitions will therefore be gradually extended to a national ban that will reduce emissions of these harmful substances by 98%. Degassing a vessel while sailing along inland waterways is bad for air quality, for the health of local residents and for people who work with these substances. Since 2015, the provinces of Zeeland, Noord-Brabant, Zuid-Holland, Utrecht, Noord-Holland, Gelderland and Flevoland have already introduced bans on the degassing of benzene and substances containing benzene.